Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about an underrated Samsung Health feature which is not talked about much. So I'm going to talk about this feature in this video, and it's a fantastic feature if you are looking to get into shape or build muscle or whatever you want to do. Any kind of activity that you want to do, you can use Samsung Health to help yourself. So go in Samsung Health, and here you will see this tab at the bottom called Fitness. Go in here, and here you will see all of these YouTube videos with different activities. You'll see different providers, Samsung Health TV partners. So you've got a lot going on here, but it can be overwhelming as well. So here's where to start from. Tap on this button at the top right, and here it opens up your filters, and now you can build what is it that you want. You want to do weight loss or build muscle or both, you can do that. Then select your difficulty. Let's go with that, and then select the workout duration. Let's say you just want to do 30 minutes. And then you can also select the body part that you want to focus on: upper body, lower body, full body, or just the core. What is it that you want? Select that. And then equipment. You want to use equipment or you don't. And once you have selected all of this, press done, and now it will present you with all of these workouts according to the filters that you've just selected, and there are a lot to choose from. So we've got 49 results here. So we'll open this one, and here this is a yoga wake up weight loss thing. We have program overview here. Difficulty is medium, workout duration is 18 minutes. You don't need an equipment. This is a weight loss program, and here is a workout schedule. So you can do that. Add program, press done, and now you have this program added to your dashboard. You can tap on it, you can download this program, and then start your workout. And it starts on the screen, on your phone, but at the same time you start it on your watch as well, and it syncs the heart rate, the timer, and your calories burned from the watch on the screen on your phone as well. And you can also stream this workout to your TV using this smart view option, and work out in front of your TV using your watch to measure how much calories you've burned and what's your heart rate and all that stuff. It's a really cool stuff. Go ahead and give this a try. Now this is just one program. You can do a lot more. There are a lot of programs here. You can just select those. You don't need to go in the filters and all that. You can just go in here, select these programs, and start the workout straight away, and it will start the workout, and you will see your heart rate, calories, and duration synced from your watch as soon as you will start it. That's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.